Have you ever felt torn between relaxing on the beach and exploring a bustling city? What if I told you that you can do both in just one destination? Welcome to our Wanderlust Chronicles, where we uncover the incredible travel styles coexisting in one beautiful city. Picture this. You wake up to the sound of waves crashing, sip your coffee while gazing at the ocean, then hop on a quick train to dive into an urban adventure. From the sunbathers to the city explorers, everyone finds their joy here. Imagine lounging on the beach, soaking up the sun, before transitioning to vibrant street food markets and lively nightlife, all within a stone's throw. You don't have to compromise. You can be a beach bum in the morning and a nightlife enthusiast by night. This city embraces every travel style, allowing you to create your own unique itinerary. So whether you crave adventure, relaxation, or a mix of both, this destination promises a fulfilling experience tailored just for you. Don't wait. Start planning your journey now and unlock the best of both worlds. The adventure of a lifetime awaits you, and it starts with a single step.